This is our 2-box break of Insane Inc. It's INSANE4907. Let's see if I can get that. Here you go. Yeah, 4907 and 4908. Oh, we could hit a Tiger Woods? I didn't know that. Oh, man. All right, let's get to see who has what letters. I didn't know it. Sending it through 7 times for our owner list. 21 spots in the break. 2 to 6 hits. 5, 6. Good luck, everybody. Here's our owner list after 7. David K., you're at the top of the list, and you're at the bottom of the list, so it's like a Dave K. sandwich. And it basically is a Dave K. sandwich. All right. Good luck. Hit something amazing. And we're going to randomize our letter list. A Dave K. Deluxe. A Dave K. with extra cheese. I don't think that was our entire owner list. I mean, letter list. Let me see. Yep. Okay. It goes down further. 7 times through for the letters. Six, lucky number 7. There it is. Is it going to be an Elvis Presley? Oh, my. Well, who is it and what is it? Well, we're going to find out. You can make a trade in the box break. You can feel free to make a trade if you so desire. Here's that list again. Right here. So A is up on the block. All right. Letter A is on the block. Final opportunity for any trades. You can tell me to wait if you're mulling anything over. But this is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is it. G for A. Okay, we do have some trade talks happening, so there is time to consider that for sure. All right, so time has elapsed, and now we're ready to rip. And so final opportunity for the trade. Is it going to be a G for an A? Okay. Good luck, everybody. You're still sure? Everything, no trade? Okay. You might want to reconsider. You still have that extra second or two to reconsider and say, hey, wait a second. We're full speed ahead right now. First hit out of the break. Good luck, everybody. Is it a single hit? Is it 3 hits? What is it? That looks like, oh my. This is very lovely. This is very lovely. Oh my. That is just terrific. What a beautiful photo. Autographed and everything. That is just terrific. I don't even know who this is right off. Does anybody know who this is? Do you recognize the signature? It is very lovely. Oh my. All right, well, let's take a look and see who it is. That's a good guess, Spud, but I don't think so. It is Carmen Electra. It is. Ho! I didn't think that was her. That's letter E owner. Congratulations, Sergio R. Ho! Oh, my. Sergio. Carmen Electra. Wow. That's a little bit older of a photo. That's a great photo. Beautiful. Man, she is gorgeous. Oh my, that's one nice hit right there, my friend. Sergio gets a terrific one. That's our first box. 1 to 3 hits in a box. Here we go in box number 2. That was terrific. Oh no, Biz. Hey, somebody might want to buy that from you right away. Seriously, somebody might want that right away. Because that is just a lovely autograph to have. That is funny. I'm sure you could trade it to anyone around here for any number of things. Okay, here we go. Next hit in the break is it multi-hits? Is it one? Oh, my. Ho! Ho! Would you look at that? That is terrific. Letter T owner John P. pulls this Mike Trout Red Inked auto. Magnificent. Simply magnificent. 2014 American League MVP. Nice looking signature. What a great hit. There's a little authentication. That's some MLB stuff around here. There's something for you. You can see right there. Isn't it, though? That is just beautiful. Oh, my goodness. What a great 2-box break this has been. Coming out of this box break. So that was John P's Mike Trout auto. Whew, man. Man, oh man, that's good stuff. And Insane Ink. We do have another break becoming available in Insane Ink. And you can get in this next one. That was terrific.